Choices. Why can't we accept the choices we make? Results are just a series of choices. Yet we don't believe that a series of choices got us to where we are today. In this video, we will explore how small choices led to where you are today. Hi, my name is Naz and welcome to No Black. My focus is to provide you valuable information to move your finances from red to black. If this is your first time, like, subscribe, and click the bell for more content like this. Over the years, I noticed that I was making choices without really thinking about the outcome. I was in a routine and did not take the time to think about any of my choices. Every day I was getting a little bit more poor, unhealthier, and just more lost. Until one new year. Okay, I know what you're thinking. No one follows through on their resolution. Or maybe in this case, I got lucky, but it stuck around. For example, I told myself that I will not eat unhealthy food for breakfast. My choices were to fast or eat a healthy meal. As a result, interesting things happened. So quick story. I used to go to Tim Hortons in the morning before work. I used to order oatmeal, which cost me $5 a day or $25 a week, $100 a month, $1,200 a year, and $6,000 every 5 years. The food was okay, meaning it was better than a donut. Obviously, this did not align with my new plan, so I looked at other options. It did not take long for me to find what I call today my most successful tech purchase. The product is called Zojurishi, and it's a rice cooker. It makes oatmeal, steel cut oats to be precise. I got it 5 years ago. It cost me $300 and has been used every day since then. The oats cost me $5 to $10 every 3 months or so. That small decision made me healthier and saved me lots of money. Isn't that what products are supposed to do? Save us time, make us better? So that solved my breakfast problem. Another area where I needed to improve was working out. This behavior is a little bit more difficult for me to maintain. Therefore, I need to add more thinking around it. That is why I committed 30 minutes a day of light exercise to get me going. And if I choose to do more, then so be it. I know that these small victories will provide me with a healthier future. And finally, don't be hard on yourself if you make mistakes. The trick is to not repeat them. I made a mistake of buying a Lexus GS350, and the results were me getting pulled over for the first time, my wallet destroyed, and I truly did not enjoy the car. But one positive thing came out of all of this. I realized that I don't like cars. Also, selling that vehicle made me super happy. All that to say, by paying attention to the potential results of your decision, making the right choice becomes easier. If this video provided you some value, like, subscribe, and click the bell for more content like this. Also comment below on what was your best purchase. This is Naz, and I'll see you on the next one.